Y'all be liking my videos, but I don't do the same videos all the time. The same cornstarch videos. I don't do the same videos all the time. I do different cornstarch videos. I don't do the same ones all the time. Someone said they want me to do the same one I did. I do different videos, like cornstarch on my face, a big spoon of cornstarch. I do different videos. I don't do the same ones, sorry. Well, y'all have a good day. I just got on here. Happy Sunday. But yeah. Happy Sunday, y'all. And I hope you have a good day today. And you know, I put some in the strainer. I put some cornstarch in the strainer. This is CoverGirl. But I'm gonna I try to keep it like when I gotta dry this pan out. Yeah, I don't want my stuff to be wet. You know, I put it in here, you know. Put it in there. And that's CoverGirl. Well, y'all have a good day today. But yeah. I do different videos. I don't do the same videos all the time. Like I said, I like cornstarch on my face. I love to eat a big spoon, sometimes a little spoon. I do different videos, so that's all I want to say. Peace. Smoothie. Y'all get me up there if I can go live on YouTube and eat cornstarch. I would love that.